Hey guys, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I have some master keys for RV community. This is a BDFICMK. You want to go to bluedog.com and you can check out these particular keys. I have a link on my community post for these keys. And these keys really represent some master keys for your RV. So that's kind of cool, right? So if you're in that business of maybe RV community, you have the RV park, or you have a locksmith company, you're gonna need these keys. And it looks like these are gonna be really helpful because there's only 3 of them. I kinda like that. What do I have? I have a community post, by the way. And here's where he makes these, is frameandmanufacturing.com. And it says this about these keys on my community post. It says the F1C Master Change Key Set previously had 4 keys, now a set of 3 with 1 removable key. Now, if you want to go to my community post, you can read this verbatim. There's a lot of numbers. I have all the links to find these keys, okay? Because you can get them from several places. These are great keys, by the way. I was going to read you this whole list, but go to their website and you can see these things in the flesh, and then talk to Phil down there or one of the great salesmen and they will tell you all about these keys. So let's get a close look. Here's the keys close up. They're the BDFICMK. A set of 3. Evidently it used to be a set of 4, not needed anymore. That is quite nice, isn't it? Get these from bluedogkeys.com. I'm saying that's the place to go. And Freeman is the original owner of these keys, and they manufacture these keys. So go get them if you're an RV guy. Here is the place where you can get them. I have a community post. Door and Lock Tips tells exactly where to get them, bluedogkeys.com, and the product. There's the keys right there. So I've tried to do all the footwork for you. And also, if you get generic code, you can cut these keys. There's generic code, all pulled up with the key, and you can just cut the key, which is right here. BDFICMK. Yeah. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I'm liking this stuff.
Hey everybody, you'll be glad you stayed till the end. I've got another video back to back. Yeah, let's get into it.
Hey guys, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. I'm doing a little editing and I hope you enjoy the show. It's on those Blue Dog keys, and let's get you to have a taste.
BDTMMK.
Ooh, yeah.
You can check out these particular keys. I have a link on my community post for these keys. And these keys really represent some master keys for your RV.
I think he knows what he's talking about.
Well, that's kind of cool, right? So if you're in that business of maybe RV community,
yeah,
you have the RV park, or you have a locksmith company.
Crack myself up.
And it looks like these are going to be really helpful.
That guy specializes in this type of work. Oh, there's his stuff.
What do I have? I have a community post, by the way.
I hope you enjoy this show. It's going to be a winner. Yeah. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. And I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Yeah. Hey guys, just wanted to let you know that Matthew here, the owner of Lewis County Lockout, has been one of my loyal super subscribers. If you want to get yourself seen on my channel, subscribe and hit that thanks button and send me some great comments like Lewis does. He's the top commenter on my channel, and there's rewards for that. So please subscribe to my channel, just like Matthew here at Lewis County Lockout. He's a great guy. If you ever need RV service, he's your man. So I highly recommend him. Again, this is Mike Walker with Door and Lock Tips. Thanks again, Matthew. I really appreciate it. Yeah.